Hey guys, good morning. It's Josh. So listen, there's been some major changes with Fannie Mae, and of course, as you know, that pretty much affects every bank in the country because they're all underwriting to Fannie Mae and eventually selling to Fannie Mae. So the changes are this. As of June 1st, every single Fannie Mae loan will have the credit re-pulled for a borrower immediately before closing, usually within 24 to 48 hours. So where this can become particularly troublesome is that we can clear all known conditions, be sending the file off to get closing documents, and right as quality control is doing their final check, they pull a credit report and a client has bought a new car or even had a mortgage or even had an inquiry, will need explaining as to did they open up new credit, is there something new that needs to be factored against the debt-to-income ratio, and can delay closing. If you haven't heard this and it sounds weird, I'm sorry I'm the first one telling you, but this is something that is serious. It's going to cause delays for people out there, and so I want to have a point of attack before we get to this point of delay in closing. So what my office is doing is I'm including it in my pre-approval letters. I'm making sure I have a communication to my clients. They need to just freeze credit. From the moment I pull their credit and I issue a pre-approval letter through the day of closing, no inquiries, no new purchases, stay off your credit 100%. I'm going to have my assistant relay that exact same message, and I'm hoping that you guys can help us as well, because this is one of these things that are obviously outside of my control. Regardless of if I tell a client or not, if they get 2 days before closing and they bought something new, that means we have a new liability. It has to back up and go back through underwriting and then eventually get to closing, which, you know, extensions and everything else, it could be ugly. So just want to let you know of the new rule that's implemented as of June 1st, and anything you can do to help us communicate with clients. Stay off your credit. Don't get any inquiries. Don't try and, just see if you could get approved for credit. Just stay off your credit as you're house hunting. So anyways, that's the news, guys. Hope you're doing great. If you have any questions or want further explanation, give me a buzz, and make it a great week. Take care.